This DeWalt 9-inch grinder was thrown out. A friend of mine works in a scrapyard and he asked me did I want it, so I said yeah, I'll take a look at it. If anything, I'll have the blade if I can't get it working. Unfortunately, they've cut the cable off the ends, so I'm going to have to try and replace that and see if I can get it working. First things first, let's take the blade off. Luckily that wasn't too tight. The blade is in pretty good condition, in all honesty. There's not much wear on it. Diamond blade, so worst case scenario, at least I got a blade. So we'll take it apart now, put a new power cord on it, and then we'll go from there. Could be something as simple as the fuse gone in the plug and the person threw it out not knowing. Could be the brushes gone, could be a burnt out motor, could actually be anything. Actually the brushes doesn't look much meat on them, but we'll have a look at that in a minute. Just whip this side off so we can take a look inside and replace that cable. I've had tools like this before off him and it's been as simple as just changing the brushes, so we'll see. It's a shame they've cut the cable off it, in all honesty, because I have got cable here, but it's not very long. Let's just undo the cable clamp. I've got this cable here, but it's not very long, but it'll do this just to see if it is working. But I'll ask him to see if he can get me a longer cable off something. But at least we should be able to see if it's a simple fix. Or if it's something more expensive like the motor, then obviously it'll be binned, it'll be scrapped. I'll return it to him so he can put it through the scrapyard. But if it is a simple fix, then we'll have a look. Well, there we have it. It's actually working. Probably just a fuse in the plug and somebody has thrown it out. The brushes don't look too clever though, the amount of sparking coming from there, so what I'll probably do is order some more brushes off Amazon. I have had a quick look, I think they're only about £3 or £4. Oh, there we are, it's not working now. Spoke a bit too soon. As you can see now, it's not working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to order some brushes from Amazon and we'll come back as soon as the brushes arrive and we'll try them. Right, another day, brushes have arrived. Hopefully that's the problem, so we'll have a look. I've unplugged it for safety. Yeah, as you can see, the brushes are not the best. I don't know if these are the right ones. We'll have a look now. Well, they seem to fit, that's a good sign. And the spade connector works. You can see the difference between the new set of brushes and the old ones. That doesn't look good, so I'm 99% sure it's just the brushes, especially as it just fired up and then stopped. And the amount of sparks coming off the motor is another sign that the brushes are on their way out. That one isn't too bad, it's clearly worn, but it's not worn like the other one was. This one's going to be a bit fiddly. Right, the moment of truth. Let's try it now and see what happens. As you can see, it's working perfectly. There is a few sparks coming off the motor, but that's to be expected when you just put brand new brushes in until they wear in. But yeah, for the sake of £3 or £4 for new brushes off Amazon, this DeWalt 9-inch disc cutter has got a few more years left in it yet. Just put everything back together now. Like I said, I'll try and get a better power cord, but this was only for test purposes really. But yeah, I'll use this now for the time being. I'll let you know. But yeah, you'd be surprised what people throw out thinking it's knackered when it's as simple as just changing brushes or even fuses on plugs. Just pop the blade back on it now and try it one more time. Make sure it's unplugged. But even if I couldn't have got it working, it would have been worth having it just for the blade. As you can see, it is now working perfect with a simple fix of just changing the brushes over, and somebody threw this out in the scrap to be scrapped. Nice to bring life back into it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video. Please leave a comment and please subscribe, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video.